Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, I hit my knee earlier super hard on a motorcycle handle, rear handle, and it hurts like hell. Anyway, there's a new event in Pokemon Masters. We're going to do events. Dragon type training event. We're not yet even done with the dragon that rules the sky. Oh my god. Anyway, this is new. We're going to do everything one by one. There has never been a dragon type training event before. So this is single player normal, a dragon of pride. We're gonna start normal. My dragon types are usually very strong already. Let's see who I can bring to my team. Claire is weak.
Fine.
Iris is not so powerful.
Explore? I want to go too.
And Zinnia, well, how many dragon types? These are all my dragon types, guys. So I will just try and unlock level cap if I could. Claire and who's the other one? Claire and Iris. And with that said,
I can feel power welling up inside me. I can feel power welling up inside me.
I can feel power welling inside me. Claire, your turn.
I can get even stronger, you know. I can get even stronger, you know.
And that's good. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Explore event, single player, dragon type training event, Dragon of Pride. Let's do this. My knee hurts. My knee super hurts. I cry. It hurts.
You honestly think you can beat me?
Let's remove auto.
Now. Let's go. Now. Let's do it.
And X-Special. I don't even think I have to do this, but
Now.
Outrage, Dragon Breath, and probably another Outrage.
Go.
Let's use Dragon Claw.
I let my guard down.
But he's confused. Oh, come on. Let's do something. Dragon Breath.
Get ready. Now.
And that's it. That is done. And this video is over.
This was the only possible
That
outcome.
was normal, a dragon's pride if I'm not mistaken. And we got 1,620 EXP. What is with my internet connection? We unlock hard. And with that said, thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll do hard in the next video. Until very hard, super hard, and co-op.